Hello children, in our previous class we have learnt about sentence and kinds of sentences. In this class we will discuss about the change of sentences from one kind to another. Let us take some examples. He is very honest. It is a declarative sentence. Now to make it an interrogative sentence, we have to bring the verb is in front of the subject he. Is he very honest? We will also have to add a question mark at the end of this sentence. Now it is an interrogative sentence. Is he very honest? He is tall. This is also a declarative sentence. To make it interrogative, here also we will have to bring the verb is in front of the subject he. Is he tall? And also add a question mark at the end of this sentence. Is he tall? Now it is an interrogative sentence. How beautiful she is. In this sentence, a strong feeling is expressed. And there is also an exclamatory mark at the end of this sentence. So, it is an exclamatory sentence. To make it declarative, we will have to make this sentence in a statement form. She is very beautiful. Now this sentence is stating a fact. So it is a declarative sentence. Mrs. Sen is proud of her son. It is a declarative sentence. To make it an exclamatory sentence, we have to bring a strong feeling in this sentence. So, we have to add a word which expresses a strong feeling. Here, we are adding how. How proud Mrs. Sen is of her son. By adding the word how, a strong feeling of proudness is expressed in this sentence. So, it is now an exclamatory sentence. And we will have to add an exclamation mark at the end of this sentence. In this regard, we must remember that in every sentences we have to add appropriate punctuation mark. It is very important. Children, please remember to add appropriate punctuation mark. In our previous class, we have learned about declarative sentences. There are two kinds of declarative sentences, positive sentences and negative sentences. But before going to that sentences, let me tell you that there are some negative words like no, not, never, nothing, which indicates negation. So, sentences having these negative words are called negative sentences, and sentences which do not have these negative words are called positive sentences. Let me show you the examples. He is present today. In this sentence, there is no negative word like no, not, never, nothing. So it is a positive sentence. But in this sentence, you see, he is not present today. Here is a negative word, not. So this sentence is a negative sentence. Let me give you another example. It will rain tomorrow. There is no negative word in this sentence, so it is a positive sentence. It will not rain tomorrow. In this sentence, there is a negative word, not. So, it is a negative sentence. Now, children, let us come to the exercises. In exercise A, you see, match the words in the two columns to make meaningful sentences. Here, we have to do the matching. Kohima. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Ostriches. Ostriches are very big birds. Many children are afraid of lightning and thunder. Alfonso is the name of a variety of mango. Pens and pencils are available at a stationery shop. People of many tribes live in Manipur and Mizoram. My father likes to wash the car himself. Rabbits love to eat carrots. Kashmiri apples are very tasty. The river Ganga flows into the Bay of Bengal. Come to page number 3, exercise B. Mention what kind of sentence each of the following is. He did not go to the market. It is a statement. So, it is a declarative sentence. The car started with a jerk. It is a fact. So, it is also a declarative sentence. How hot the water is. This sentence is ending with an exclamation mark, and it is also expressing a strong feeling. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Is it a holiday today? There is a question mark and it is also asking a question. So it is an interrogative sentence. Please do not pluck flowers. Here there is a request. So it is an imperative sentence. Don't touch that umbrella. There is a command in this sentence. So it is also an imperative sentence. I will not go out in the rain. It is a statement. So it is a declarative sentence. Do not close the window. It is a command. So it is an imperative sentence. Will she ever forgive me? It's a question and there is also a question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence. I don't want to talk about it. It is a statement and so it is a declarative sentence. From now onwards, from each exercises, I will be solving some sentences and the rest is done for you, which will be provided to you in the form of PDF along with this video. Let us come to the exercise number C. Rearrange the words to make complete sentences. Here we have to arrange the words in correct order. It is very cold today. Children, don't forget to use full stop at the end of this sentence. Prime Minister is the Narendra Modi of India. So we have to rearrange this. So Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Asia is largest in the world continent, the. So it will be Asia is the largest continent in the world. Let us come to the next exercise, which is in page number 4. Change these sentences into interrogative sentences. Here we have to begin these sentences with the words in the brackets. You were at the party. We have to begin this sentence with were. So it will be, were you at the party? And also add a question mark at the end of this sentence. She shouted at them. You have to begin this sentence with the word who. So it will be, who shouted at them? And also add a question mark. Her mother is at home. You have to begin the sentence with the word is. So it will be, is her mother at home? Then we have to add a question mark at the end of this sentence. Now let us come to page number 5, exercise E. Change these sentences to the form that is mentioned in the brackets. Bharati is his cousin. Here we have to change it into question form. So what we'll have to do? We have to bring the verb in front of the subject. So it will be, is Bharati his cousin? Then we have to add a question mark. Is the baby crying? It is a question. We have to change it into statement. So to make this sentence statement, we have to write, the baby is crying, and add a full stop. Their mother is tall. We have to make it in the question form. So to make it question, what we'll have to do? We have to bring the verb in front of the subject. So, is their mother tall? And we have to add a question mark at the end of this sentence. Exercise number 8. Rewrite these sentences as negative sentences. He can swim well. So, as we know, to make it negative, we have to add negative words like no, not, never, nothing. So, he can swim fast. To make it negative, we will have to add not to eat. So it will be he cannot swim first. I like crowded places. To make it negative, we will have to write I do not like crowded places. We bought 2 tickets for the film. It is a positive sentence. So, to make it negative, we will have to write we did not buy 2 tickets for the film. That's all for today, children. You go through this chapter and write the exercises in your notebook. Thank you.